What if your most unforgettable memory was never completely real? What if your brain has been quietly rewriting your past without you ever realizing it? Scientists have discovered that your brain doesn't store memories like a video recording. Instead, it rebuilds them every single time you remember them. During that process, tiny details can disappear. New details can quietly slip in. Over time, emotions, imagination, and even stories from other people can become part of what feels completely real. That's why two people can experience the exact same moment, yet remember it in completely different ways. Your brain isn't trying to fool you. It's trying to build the most useful version of the past, not a perfect recording. What's one childhood memory you're no longer completely sure actually happened? Comment below.